Toolpath-based simulation now uses a closable execution view dialog box, making the user interface consistent with that of machine code-based simulation. With toolpath-based simulation selected, select Execution View. This option is new. The dialog box has been renamed Execution View for consistency with machine code-based simulation. This new dialog box can be opened and closed during simulation. It can be docked and undocked. Status information is displayed similar to that of the previous simulation control panel. There is no longer a close button.